Hello everyone, today we are going to start exercise 11.3. First question in that we have given the side of a cube and the measurement of the cuboid. We have to find out which solid have less material to be made. So let us find the total surface area. This is TSA, total surface area of the cube, that is equal to 6 multiplied by side square, right? So 6 multiplied by side is 50 centimeter, and the square of 50 centimeter, you know that as 50 into 50 is 2500. 2500 when multiplied to 6 is you will get 15,000 centimeter square. Now the length of the cuboid is 60 centimeter, breadth is 40 centimeter, and height is 50 centimeter. We have to find out the TSA of the cuboid. That is by the formula, you know that 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So 2 into L is 60, B is 40, height is 50. So you just put all the values here and multiply. 6 4s are 24, 00 forward. 5 4s are 20, 00 forward. 5 6 are 30 and 00 forward. If you add all these, you will get 7,400, and if you multiply with 2, you will get 14,800 centimeter square. So the total surface area of the cuboid, you can see, is 14,800 and it is 15,000. So for the cuboid, it required the lesser material to be made. Now question number 2, we have given a suitcase that is in the type of cuboid. So we can find the total surface area of the suitcase with the formula of the total surface area of the cuboid. That is, the formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. L is 80, B is 48, you know, H is 24. So put all the values in the formula and get them multiply. After multiplication you will get this one, and after the multiplication with 2 you will get 13,824 centimeter square. Now we have to make 100 suitcases, so we have to cover with the tarpaulin, and there are 100 suitcases to be wrapped. So we have to find out the total surface area of one suitcase, that is 13,400, and to find out the area of 100 suitcases, we have to multiply it by 100. So multiply 13,824 with 100, you will get this amount, right? And now the required tarpaulin, you know, tarpaulin must be in the rectangular form, so that to cover a cuboid. So this is L into B, you know that, and length we have don't know, we have to find out length, and breadth we have given 96. So our area must be same as the area of the tarpaulin, means area of 100 suitcases and the area of the tarpaulin must be same. So L into 96. Now 96 can be transposed from right to left, and you will divide this amount by 96 and you can cut it. I'm cutting it by 12. 12 8s are, right? So this is not 12 8s are, 12 1s are 12 1s are, and 12 5s are 60, 12 2s are 24, and 00 forward. Now you get by 8, cut it by 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32, then 8 4s are 32, and 00 forward. So these meter centimeter, but we have required to find out in meter. That in the question we have given how much meter tarpaulin is required, means length of the tarpaulin in meters. So you will convert this centimeter into meters and you will get 144 meter, right? So this is the solution of the second question. Now come to question number 3. This is what we have given, that we have given the total surface area of the cuboid, that is 1600 we have given, right? And this 1600 will be same as the formula, that is 6 into side square. That is, we know that the formula of total surface area of a cube is 6 into side square, and that we have given 600 centimeter square. This 6 can be transposed from left to right and divide 600. So 6 1s are 6 and goes at 100. You can cut 6 1s are 6 and 00 forward, that is centimeter square. Now can find take the square root on both sides, because we want to find out only side, not the side square. So square can be removed by taking square root on both sides. So take square root on both sides. Square and square root will cancel and you will get only side. You know that 100 square root of 100 is 10, and square root of square is centimeter, right? Centimeter square is centimeter. So the side of the square is 10 centimeter. Now come to question number 4. This is the length of cuboid. We have given here 2 meter, breadth is 1 meter, and height is 1.5 meter. Now area of the cabinet to be painted is the area CSA of that means all the walls of the cabinet and top of the cabinet. We have to leave the bottom. This is given in the question. So the bottom LB we will remove from here. So you know the CSA is 2H into L plus B, and area of the top is LB. So put all the values here. Length is 1.5, height is 1.5, sorry, length is 2 meter, breadth is 1 meter, L is 2 meter, and breadth is 1 meter. So just multiply 1.5. When you multiply with 2, you will get 3.0. 0 can be removed from here. So 3 meter multiply by 2 and 1, 3 meter, and this is 2 ones are 2 meter square. So 3 3s are 9 and 2, that is 11 meter square. So this is the solution of the question number, that is 4. Now come to question number 5. We have given here that length is 15 meter, breadth is 10 meter, height is 7 meter. These are the measurements of the dimensions of cuboid. Now area to be painted same as the area of 4 walls plus ceiling. 4 walls means CSA. So that is 2H into L plus B into area of ceiling means top. Top is rectangular, so area is L into B, that is length into breadth. So we will multiply here all the values. 2 into 7 is height, 15 is length, 10 is breadth. So just put all the values and do the calculation. 7 2s are 14. So this is 15 plus 10 is 25, and 15 into 10 is 150. After the solution you will get 500 meter square. So we have given in the question that 100 meter square can be painted by one can. So how many cans are required to paint 500 meter square? That is 500 by 100. You can cut 2 zeros and you will get 5 cans, right? So that's all for today.